Hi ladies, I'm Ali and welcome to Clear Skin and Wellbeing. So today I thought I would do some lymphatic drainage on the face. But before I do, if you haven't subscribed before, please subscribe, also please like and also please share. Right, so the first thing to do when you're doing anything to do with the face, I like to actually wash the face and make sure that I don't have any product on my face and my face is completely clean. And also my hands, you don't want to be transferring any bacteria from your hands onto your face, so make sure your fingers in particular and your hands are really nice and clean as well. Now, if you do have dry skin, I would recommend putting some form of serum you may use or moisturiser on your skin first before we add any slip, because that will lock in any moisture. Right, so I'd like to sit on a chair in complete alignment, so the soles of my feet, both of them on the ground, not being cross-legged, and I like to be nice and balanced with a straight back and in alignment. And then I'm ready to go. So what I'm going to do first, because I have washed my skin, is I'd like to use some form of rosehip oil, which I have here, an organic one. You can use other forms of plant-based oils, but I would highly recommend using a rosehip oil. It's kind of like the natural retinol for your skin, if you like. It does contain vitamin A. Plant-based oils are good, but I wouldn't recommend anything to do with maybe not mineral oils. Let's get a couple, 2 or 3 drops. And I like to just rub it in hands, just get the energy going if you like, and then just gently press onto the face and onto the neck. Right, and then once we've done that, I like to start basically from my neck up to my head and all the way back down again. We are going to be going here as well behind the hair, so you don't really want to be doing this once you've just washed and blow dried your hair, because it is going to maybe go slightly greasy, because we are going to be working the hair. So I like to do it just before I'm about to wash my hair, to be honest. So let's go on the neck first. Again, you don't want to be going too hard. The lymphatic is very close to the skin, so you don't want to be crushing it. We have lots of lymphatic nodes within our body and points, and we want to be reaching those, for instance, by working up. The lymph nodes are here and all along here, so if we're working up towards the ear, we can then get ready for dispersing it and draining it eventually down here. But first things first, let's just work in a small light motion towards the ear, and then on the other side. And then once we've done that, along the jawline, we have lots of nodes along here, so you can just use your 2 fingers here and just lightly just move it, always moving out, never moving in, moving it towards those ears. And then start moving it across here. You could use 2 fingers. Again, from the nose here, little nodes here, you can just actually give it a few massages in circular motions. I've got my fingers here. And then work it down the cheekbones and across to the ears again. We can get our knuckles as well, particularly if you do have long nails. You don't want to be scratching your skin. So if you do have long nails, you can use your knuckles, these knuckles on this side, or even a little bit further up. So we could go up and just across. And you could work your knuckles here if you like, and move across. Again, towards the ears. Now moving up, you could again use your knuckles And then just here, between your eyes, I'd use the middle ones. You can just work just in a circular motion and then move down. And now when you get to this part, be very careful. It's very sensitive. It's one of the finest parts on the body under your eyes. So you don't want to be stretching and pulling, just very, very gentle. And remember to keep the face nice and relaxed at all times. You don't want to be tensing and creating any wrinkles. So again, going across. And then I do like to I always like this motion. It's up towards the third eye, just very carefully, very gently, just little feather-like motions. And then you can work across. And then maybe above the eyes, the eyebrows, just work across along. Nice little motions here. Get your thumbs just here, just above your nose, on the top of the nose, above the eyebrow, on the eyebrow, literally. I just work across, moving everything out, and then again out. And then if you can get your fingers, and then just into your hair. This is the part where you don't want to have just washed your hair. And then just move it coming down. Where your ears are here. Down and then down. You may want to slightly swallow at the end at this part. And then we can get almost an emotion like this. And just, if you can see here, and then you just want to swish it across. Not too heavy, just really light, just moving the lymph very carefully, very gently. You can start off at the top if you like, and then move across really carefully. I always feel like this is kind of smoothing out any lines and wrinkles within the face and any tension as well. Again, towards the ears. And then when you get to those ears, just give them a little circular motion and further down. And then just push it down. And then let's just do one last time up to the top, onto the hair. Just very carefully, don't want to be too heavy-handed, just nice and light. And then just working down to the back of the neck, and then just push that down. And then when we get to this part here, you have 2 points here, either side of your neck, and you just want to slightly just press, pump slightly, because that's going to release all those toxins from the lymph nodes and the lymph. Again, just keep pressing down a little bit, and then just gently press there. And that will drain into the rest of the body for elimination, if you like. So that's how I would do a drainage for lymphatic drainage for the face. Just moving everything out, all those points, moving down the neck, at the back of the neck. You don't want to be going down at the front. You want to go up at the front, down at the neck, on those points, and then just gently press, ready for it to go down, ready for elimination. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, please subscribe and please like, and also please comment, and I will see you on the next one. Okay, bye.